everyone, welcome to Synology Solution Exhibition. Let's go in and have a look. Alright, let's have a look with our very first NAS here, the DS619 Slim. This is the successor model of the DS14 Slim. As you may notice, the 4-bay model has now been upgraded to 6-bay. As well, we have done the upgrade of the CPU too. The Slim model used to be an ARM-based CPU, but this year we have decided to upgrade the models to an Intel base instead, to experience some even more powerful performance for the home users. And then moving on to next year, it's our brand new 5-bay model, the DS1019 Plus. This is our very first 5-bay model that supports 4K video transcoding. So this is quite unique for some of the home users even now to enjoy the multimedia entertainment. Looking at the next model here, this is the brand new DS2419 Plus, which is the successor model of the DS2415 Plus. With this guy here, it can now be expanded the RAM up to 32 gig, whereas previous models, it can only be expanded up to the 8 gig. As well, we now support the M.2 NVMe SSD and the M.2 SATA SSD. All you have to do is add the M.2D18 card to do the tricks. So here we have two of our brand new rack-mounted models that will be releasing this year. On my right-hand side here, this is a brand new RS1219 Plus, which is the 8-bay rack-mounted models that we are releasing. It's the first one too. The cool thing with these models here is the chassis design. It's actually shorter than the traditional rack-mounted models. And the reason to have a shorter chassis is to have it to fit into the two-pole racks. On my left-hand side here, this is our brand new RS1619X Plus. This is our very first 1U X models that we are releasing this year. The reason to have this 1U model in the high-end Synology rack-mounted model design is that nowadays a lot of customers are looking for a lot of more computing over storage usage. So previously, if you're looking to have a high computing NAS, you're most likely to go invest it in the 2U rack-mounted model. Whereas now, you have the options to choose a less storage, but with the equal computing power storage. Over here, this is our brand new router product line, the MR2200AC. With these models here, this is actually our third networking products in the family. From here, you can also see the UI interface designs, which is very easy to use for a lot of home consumers. With the mesh routers, the UI has also a customized design for people to easily identify which router has been connected, which has not. So if you need to do some fixing, it's very user-friendly for people to do right away. As well, with the router product line here, we have done a lot of great integration, especially in the security segment. So if you are looking for a safer networking product, definitely check out our brand new MR2200AC. Alright, moving here, it's our brand new backup solutions that we are introducing this year, the Active Backup Suites. Inside Active Backup Suites, we have 3 different packages, the Active Backup for Business, Active Backup for G Suite, as well as Active Backup for Office 365. So let's take a look at the user interface now. Let's look at the user interface of the brand new Active Backup for Business. With the new package here, we can now help users to back up their PC, their physical server, as well as their virtual machine. With the current version, we are limited to back up the share level of the PC or server. But now we can start to back up the whole machines, which is the bare metal backup. The cool thing with the restorations of Active Backup for Business is the restore part. Inside the restore part, we can now not just restore to the virtual machine or the server. We can now actually power the virtual machine or your Windows server directly onto Synology Virtual Machine Manager. This is to help users to minimize the service downtime. In protection, users can easily create protection plans on their Virtual Machine Manager. It will help take snapshot every 5 minutes and replicate it to a backup server. Alright, moving to the last station here is our Surveillance Station 8.2. we are looking at some of the brand new mobile applications, the DS Cam as well as the Live Cam, which helps you broadcast your live footage just like a IP cameras. As well, moving to the next, we also have done a great integration with IP speakers. And the last core features that we are introducing this year is the time-lapse features, where we can help create some of the core videos directly with surveillance station. Other than that, we have done the integrations with YouTube, so you can do live footage directly streaming to YouTube channel. All right, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed Synology Solution Exhibition, and we'll see you next time.